All right, now let's learn how to mix the non-skid. First thing you want to do is you're going to look and see on this chart how many square feet that you're going to coat, and then it'll tell you how much MG1-1500 to add to the non-skid additive. And what you need to do is get you one of these small scales. This is a gram scale. You can get them off of Amazon for roughly $30. And you need a quart-sized container to put on there. Once you got it on there, zero it out. Then the scale or the chart tells me I need to put in a certain amount of grams of product. This is 29.7. So after I zeroed it out, you start with the non-skid first. And I want to get 29.7 in here. There we go. 29.7 grams of AD5-050. Now I'm going to zero out again. And it's telling me that I need to put in 481.9 grams of 1500. Always shake your bottle. Every time you pick it up, shake the bottle. So, I want to make sure I don't make a mess. And 481.9 grams. There we go, 481.9 grams. And take a stir stick, mix it up. Let's go apply it.